Ambassador ke Japan Watanabe First Secretary Ulawan Jurip ban bu yau maudong ban peniang yau paya jong kaying ban long ke Jaka Reptit Shitake ubana Japan ha Mushroom Development Center ha upar Shillong. Ya kene ke jingwan jurip ute wahe Ambassador Nagari Japan la senran lang dau CBC Sadhu IAS Secretary Agriculture and Farmer Welfare ke Sarkar Jylla nang tau Assistant Director ke Horticulture uba S Kharlukhi bat ke nong tre jong katanan agriculture rengkat bat ke company bapanya yau tit Shitake. Ha ke jingwan jong ute Ambassador ban khmi dalaki jong ki khmat yak project Reptit bat ke ying bal penmang ban thung tit Lesiam bakalong babha bat paka namar kasun beneng kawai habha bantung yau tit Shitake yaitu Watanabe hakilat pathai kubor hasilong. Habayo banikran bat Assistant Director ka Horticulture ba Sumar Kharlukhi kumno bantung yau tit Shitake ulaong baune ujaitin ude wabha tam hak parthai bat wala bha ban panyat yo. Une tit Shitake ulong kum utit oyster ubadon kam bantung hakiding put kiskum ding lene kiskum keba bat hang ne Meghalaya yaitu ute officer. Assistant Director ka Horticulture Mushroom Development Center na upar Shillong yaitu botit Shitake umi bha hapadeng gajing shit bat jingkriat ke 10 degree Celsius bat 4 degree Celsius bat ke Jylla Meghalaya ka biang bha kene gajing long sun beneng bat ka long ru gajing yonong ka bahe bha. Habakren bat batai ya kom penlong yau tit Shitake ulong bau yoserim bha baruk tiptung ubami ha ke Jylla Meghalaya. Assistant Director yaitu bak jinghe jong utit bat ke jingthung yu ha ki dingkhong kumba laispa hadu laispa san phau tali bat ke jaka ka don kam tang san mitar tam na ka bantaban pentelun ya kene project ka sarkar kalaite bat ke Hills Farmer Union bat ke ex company yat shushu habakali kumno ban pen ya yo bat ban ai jing hikai ki nongrap uba es Kharlukhi yaitu bakador utit Shitake kalong kum utit badam hapadeng arspa san pau shi kilo hayo shnong katba oyster ulong hapadeng chispa an rupau hadu chispa prapau tengka shi kilo. Shushu ute officer ulai itu bakadon gajingete jutang bat ke Japan Yachts Corporation Limited ban penya yo yak sembai bat hikai kumno bantung. Ute officer ulong ru ban kaliang jong ka office kala debru ban ai hikai yak nongrap kumno bantip bat bantung ya utit Shitake.
Ito-san, the president of Yacht Corporation. Okay. And anything
you can tell something regarding the mushroom Shitake.
Oh, I see. Mushroom is very good for health. Okay, as you know. So the in the world, Shitake mushroom is consumed number 1. Okay. Thereafter, bottom mushroom comes. Right. So we will be the pioneer to cultivate Shitake mushroom in India. Okay. Shillong. Right. Any other?
How many states in India have you cultivated Shitake?
You mean a commercial cultivation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, cultivation.
No state has started to produce Shitake mushroom for the purpose of commercial. Okay. I hope Meghalaya government, Shillong, will be the pioneer. Right? Okay. Because the aim of this project is to increase farmers' income. Okay, once the farmers is familiar to cultivate Shitake mushroom, their income will be double. Okay, that is the aim. As I told you, the standard of living will be improved by cultivating Shitake mushroom. Okay, it's a high quality Shitake mushroom based on the Japanese technology. Started in Japan 600 years ago.
2-3 things, 2-3 reasons. We were told that the farmers here are very poor. So we said we have to do something so that the farmers here feel happy, they feel energetic, and we give them something that they become healthy. So that was one reason. Second reason was the climatic conditions of Meghalaya are the best suited to grow Shitake in India. If Shitake can be grown in India, it is Shillong, right? So these are the two compelling reasons that we came to Shillong. And also the third reason is the positive attitude of the administration here.
Yeah.
All I had to do was to tell them that we can do it for you, and then they were the ones who were telling us to come and do it. So this, I think, were the key that you see us standing here amongst you to grow Shitake in Meghalaya. With you, we started our engagement here in the month of April 2019, right? April 2019 we came, we worked on the MOU, and the things moved so fast that on the 30th of May, we signed the MOU with the Hill Farmer Association, with YATS and the government, right? After that, we came here, we visited, we saw the place, we worked out the plan, we did everything. We also attended the Sial where we got the mushrooms, we gave a taste of mushrooms to the people here. Unfortunately, after that things became slow because of COVID.
Yeah.
There was no international travel, we could not come and meet, we could not construct the building. So there was this gap of about two years and 3 months that was there. Now, no sooner the restrictions have been lifted, we are here again with you to give a push to the project. And let me assure you, by April 2023, we will ensure that the farmers are producing shiitake and at a commercial scale. Mr. Smar-san here has been a very, very aggressive man.
Jingrep te kular rengka kilaitli ki kendon kata kadai ka state government ka Yachts Corporation bat ka Hills Farmers Union. Mila da pendep ikani ka jinga te saskular ha ka benai mi lai pautrik arjar khat kendai. Hadin nang ta ka kam kala senang yacht state ha bat kumta ngalayo bandai sia Japan bandai kani ka training nang banyo ban pen phai kani ka kam. Kensan kawan ka lockdown ngalhap banwan phai no nang tai bat ngimla syu ban panle kumui pat mar ngihap up ya technologies kadai ke jongki nang tai na Japan. Ngaliok training hapok sibna ngilawan ban persyang ban le wan sna ya kita ki ong kita ki chips ki dos ka size jongki kadai san la 10 kalong ka simpuar bah ban sna uta blok lai pautli blok ngihap ban simpuar la kumno san sngi da ubriu namar ngimdan kitiar ka mesin ka babiang kumaki kile ki kila ban produce kuma si haja ka pautli ha ka sikenta namarba kila along lot barok khot ki batre da ka bor jong ka mesin hangni ka center ka jongi ngila persyang ban le ya ka experiment agani ngila kandak santli ki experiment ki trial ban pet uni usitaki uya hap da unu jading bat no jading habangila siam ngi iba hagani ka Jylla ka jongi ru ni utit ni khot usitaki utip tung bangiyo sikini ki than sora ki than mairang ki than jiwai uni ulong bha hakiding uding soot niong ta uding soot u chestnut nang ta korakas wilu ni ong da khasi uding yaplong keba ngi thung kumta ter hakita ki jading ni hapan khle lot yakini kadan karukom khle bat ban sna yakini na komenta sispa san pautli da ka bormet kum ubriu bat kitiar ki mesin ngila padan kampum ki renda pangin yo ban ot kiskum ni na ban penni da ka kurat yo ki flex kumta ter kalong ka ba simpuar ba ban sna sispa san pautli la kom no sitayo tam ti habangi phai ben pek kam idon jing mentoi nrepat la dangi yo ki mesin jong ki bangi mot ban import nang tan na Japan kanyarap sibon yangi kata kadai nakaliang jongi habangi phai pek nakaliang jong nong rap hakani ka center ka jonga ngin penmi yaw ni ulong ko mo blok ngin sinalot mangina dong sedong ngin in covid na hadin dula dong ni mo blok ngin ay ki nong rap ko masis pa san pautli unong rap udon kam ka jaka tang kumba san mitar lai mitar hakani ka jaka san mitar lai mitar unthung kumasis pa san phau hadu arspa tali bat ka jingmi jong u nang ni ka jingyo jong u kan kot sedu ka nyopo hajar hadu silak si Snem na kata ka jaka ya ka ba uthung yo shitaki de na kata ka rukom mangiru kum ka department kum ka center hangni nikwa ban pensilori kibri jongi namar ka jaka ka de ka ba khniat ka ba rep ninget scam ba ti para nong rap ki jongi ki dan bun ki jaka kin padan kam ha tangkawai hakani ka pon ko apan kentu yiki nong rap ki jongi papin tray sitom namar hakarap pihaban eksperimen pihaban le hi pihaban wat lari pisiam kenu ka jing pisiam kenu ka jing sitom ka jing tray ke jong pi ka office ke jongi kadan hangni ha operation long pila ban rong kadai ka office ke jong pi pan pet yaka pan pet yo nangta sim ki phone number hakini ka percaya mentang ngidan ki email pila apan ai kinu ke jubab ngin sapersyang ban guide pat banirap ya pi na kapor ble shibuan. Shitake which we are available here, that is called the tittung, and comparing to the shitake, Japanese shitake, we find that the tittung, if you measure in quantity, it will be 400 pieces of tittung will require 1 kg. But if you see from a Japanese shitake, it will require only 15 numbers to reach to 1 kg. That is number one, which means that the volume of space will be more, but the production will be less. In Japan, the volume is less, the space of volume is less, but the production is more. Point number two, the difference is that from the nutritional point of view, if you see the nutritional point of view, the Japan it is more superior, more tastier than our nutritional point of view. If you see from the health point of view, linoleic acid, one kind of components, and then these eight chemicals of amino acids which are present in Japanese shitake, I don't think which will be available or present in our locally Japan shitake. So, and if you see the timing where Japan shitake you can cultivate through almost 2 times in a year, but the natural shitake which is available in Shillong, you will be getting from the month of March, April, May, at the most you will get till June, but you are not getting the production in July, August, September. So these are few advantages where we see the difference between a local shitake and a Japanese shitake.